have everyone's favorite special guest here. Claire is with us again to bring us another Lego build. What do we have today, Claire?
A creator. You can make 3 different things. This is the main one. It has 420 pieces. You can make 3 of these. But I don't know how we're going to use the eyeballs on this one. This is kind of confusing.
But we're going to do this one?
Yeah, we're going to do the...
We're going to do the main one first? Okay, cool.
But you can switch it up.
But then, yeah, you can see all the different Legos here. You can do a flower pot, which is what we're going to do. Your 2 little birdies with some flowers. I think the boot looks pretty cool, too, with the flowers coming out of the rain boot, it looks like.
Yeah.
How many bags do you think are going to be in here?
I'm going to be guessing it's going to be 4.
You think it's going to be 4?
Mm-hmm.
Well, should we open it up to see?
Yeah.
To see how it is? I don't think there's... Yeah, we could put our fingers through there like we did last time. And then I'll rip it open.
I'm guessing there's 4.
Okay, I'll let you rip it open. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, and so we have, let's show them the bags. We got bag 1,
Okay, there's one for each one. I'll use the one that's...
bag 2, and bag 3. And it looks like we have 3 manuals. We got the birdie one,
The boot one.
the boot one,
And the flower.
and the flower one, which is the one we're going to be doing. And it gives you all the instructions on how to start off, and we're going to start building this. We'll crack open bag number 1 and get started with the build. Just crack this open for them, and then we'll get into the build. I think this is like one of the first ones where you don't have a character in it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it is.
All right, guys, let's get building. Finish the bag number 1.
And for some reason it looks like a head.
Yeah,
That's
but
where we're
I think-
putting the watering.
Yeah, and I think what's nice about the creation set is it utilizes all the eyes and stuff, because this is just the core, and then everything will cover this later so you don't see it.
Yeah.
So then when you do want to make the bird, it keeps it all contained within the watering can. It did come with extra pieces.
Just 2. This
just
was
2.
my first time.
Yeah,
That was so weird.
usually they come with more, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so all right. You want to get on to bag number 2?
Yeah, I have it in Isabella one. There was a lot of it.
Bag number 2 looks like a lot of yellow.
Yellow.
All right, let's start opening that. We finished it.
Yay.
Bag number 2. What's it look like?
And it's all yellow now.
It's all yellow and it's a nice watering can. Looks pretty cool. They cleaned it up,
Yeah, and
covered everything
before we
inside.
add this stuff in, I was pretending it was a hot chocolate mug.
And it looked like a hot chocolate mug without it. Yeah, it looks like a mug if you take that away.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you just, around Christmas time, have a nice cup of hot chocolate. Got your little hot chocolate there, it kind of looks like. But I think the next bag is all the flowers, isn't it?
Yeah, so it will be a hot chocolate one.
Yeah, there you go. And it'll look more like a potted plant. So let's get on to bag number 3. finished it, as you guys can see. It's a pretty fun build, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think especially when we got to the flowers, it was much better. I think what's really unique about this is all the butterflies
Can actually move.
move and rotate along with all the flower petals. Can rotate so you can get everything out of the way or have your own little unique spin on it. It's got great detail.
Like there's like if this one's just starting to bloom.
Bloom. Oh yeah, make it bloom where it's, you know, going to be wide open and all the butterflies are going to have fun. Yeah.
I just like this one.
Oh, you like that one? Is that your favorite butterfly?
Yeah.
I kind of like the purple one.
I kind of like the yellow. I would like the yellow.
Yeah, that orange one's nice. Well, this was a fun build. Thank you, Claire, for letting me do this with you.
Yeah.
Guys, thanks for joining us. Make sure you check out my other videos. I just did a air purifier video that Govee makes, so please go ahead and check that out. I did some special testing with the automatic
I like
features.
all of these. I want to build this one, and I want to build this one. I want to build all.
You would build all of them.
I would build all of them. But we already did this one, so we can
Well,
just
maybe
build
we
one.
will. Maybe people will want to see us build some of those. But to see those other builds, you're gonna have to click the link, the like button,
Yeah.
and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
The
So,
bell button.
yep. Thanks. Bye.